VanderKamp's a special place. We just wanted to do what we do with Making the City Smart, which is bringing people together and create a platform to build connections, and we couldn't think of a better place to do that than here.
I couldn't be more grateful to be here tonight. I'm super excited about the ability to connect with everybody in the spirit of camaraderie, in the spirit of brainstorming, in the spirit of creativity. And I think that this is just the beginning. The sky is the limit. This community in Central New York has so much to offer. And we are really, really on the cusp of something special, both here and in the greater area.